Hi everyone, in this video we're going to go over another Leetcode question, detect capital. Major tech companies like Google, Facebook, Microsoft, LinkedIn are asking this question while they're conducting their technical interviews. I hope you will find this video tutorial helpful for your technical interview preparation. Let's start with reading the question. Given a word, you need to judge whether the usage of capitals in it is right or not. We define usage of capitals in a word to be right when one of the following cases holds. All letters in this word are capitals like USA. All letters in this word are not capitals like Leetcode. Only the first letter in this word is capital like Google. Otherwise, we define that this word doesn't use capitals in the right way. So we have a word and we are looking for three cases. Either all letters are capital, all letters are lowercase, or only the first letter is uppercase. That's what we're looking for. Example USA, so we return true, all uppercase. And in this case, lowercase and uppercase together, so we return false. The input will be non-empty word consisting of uppercase and lowercase Latin letters. So let's get on the whiteboard. Again, we are going to use decimal numbers and of each character, decimal representation of each character on ASCII table. And let's look at this table. A is 65 and Z is 90. The biggest number I have is 90 here. And lowercase a starts from 97 and that goes up to 122, right? And let's get on the compiler. For example, if I do simple things here, like Z minus B. Let's copy this, try again. Right, so let's do this. You see, this is minus 8, negative 8. If I do Z minus A, sorry, uppercase A, you see that's a positive 25. If I do any negative number, right, that will be negative. Any lowercase number will give me negative number. Because if you look at this table, the biggest number I've got is 90 here, and A starts from 97. So anything that is, for example, if I do Z minus any number on the right side, one of these, that will give me negative. So the idea is if I walk through the word using a character array and do an if check, if Z minus the character is greater than 0, then that should be uppercase. This is the idea. So for character C in word.char array, so that we can walk in each character, if Z minus C is this character, is greater than or equal to 0, if it's uppercase Z, that will be 0. So greater than or equal to 0, then I will increment my counter. So I have one uppercase letter, okay? I encounter one uppercase letter and I increment my counter, right? So that's the idea. So every time I see an uppercase letter, I increment my counter. If my counter is 0, that means there is no uppercase, but they're all lowercase. Or I have two conditions here. So what is the question saying again? It's either all uppercase, this is what I'm looking for, or all lowercase, or only the first letter is uppercase, right? So that's what I'm looking for here. So if counter is 0, that means I have no uppercase at all. So all lowercase. If counter is word.linked, if it's the same as word.linked, that means all the characters are uppercase. So they both work for me. Okay? So it's either this or this. Or my other check is if I have one uppercase letter only, okay? But also Z minus word char at 0 should also be uppercase. So the very first character should be capital, right? That's what the condition was. So this will give me, if the first character is uppercase, my counter is 1, and the first character is uppercase, then that's what I need as well. Okay? If that's the case, I return true. And if one of these return true, then I return true. That's the idea. So this is a linear time complexity. We just go through the array and check. Let's see this in the code. Excuse me. So here's our counter. Check if uppercase, increment counter, counter is 0, word linked, counter is 1, or the very first item is uppercase, then do it. Submit it. Seems like this worked. Okay, this is pretty much it for this question. I hope it was helpful. I hope I made some sense. And if you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button. I have more videos coming up, so if you subscribe to my channel, we can meet again later. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.